Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple barbecue spice rub. This recipe is so easy and so simple. It uses pantry staples and you just put it together and then you have it on hand to rub chicken or beef or whatever you want. You can throw it on the grill or you can even cook it in the oven. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get preparing this. This barbecue spice rub is super easy to make. Just put together equal quantities of the following spices if you want to make a big batch. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of dehydrated onion. You can use onion flakes or even onion powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm just going to mix this together and store it. This makes a great rub for chicken, beef, pork, whatever you like to throw on the barbecue. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for barbecue spice rub. You will be using this over and over again. If you love this recipe, do share it with your family and friends and also ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to stay home, stay safe, and cook with me. Also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.